Welcome back to the channel. With a near disaster, come out here to get the Mini X ready, going to dig a trench to put in a water line, and come out here, got the tractor ready with our Garvee fueling station, and pulled this down here on a flat surface so you could do preventive maintenance, which is check the oil. Haven't run it in a while. Always check the oil. And when I checked it, this is what I got. Was a milkshake. That is not good. So I was thinking, okay, how in the world did water get inside my crankcase? And I looked up, and then I seen this rusty spot from the exhaust. So what had happened, this vibrated off, was laying down here, did not know that when I parked it on this little grade right there. And the rains that we've been having was going in the exhaust and filling up my crankcase with water. So from there to here and shut off to check the oil, I don't think anything is hurt. But if I hadn't have checked that and just filled it up with gas and went and ran it, this wouldn't be alive anymore. So we're hoping everything's good. I've got fresh oil for it. I'll probably put that in there and run it for a little bit and redrain it just to make sure all the moisture is out. But this is where preventive maintenance always wins. Check your stuff. Okay, I believe we caught it in time to not have a disaster. We're going to fire it up and run it. There's the milkshake. See all the water that blew out the exhaust? That's how I knew the rain had got in there. So this had vibrated off and was laying down here. We got some new screws in that. Hold that in place. That'll help keep rain from just going directly into the muffler, but I won't park it on a grade where it's pointing up. But we're gonna get ready to get started, get my music going on my Pro here, and fuel this thing up with the old Garvee. Fuel station. Okay, got that. We are fueled up, oiled up, bolted up. Guys, I don't hear nothing knocking. I don't see metal in the oil, so I believe I caught that. I believe I completely caught that. we're gonna try to dig a little bit. Look at this.
Wow.
Yeah.